Walk out of the bedroom, she looks at me and she goes, oh, and I go, what were you thinking about? Nothing. No, you were thinking. She goes, you really want to know? So I'm asking. Does you want the truth? Oh no, lie to me. All right, I'll tell you the truth. Those pants, I can't stand them. And I go, you bought these for me for Christmas. Yeah, I made a mistake. On the mannequin, they look good. On you, they look like clown pants. I wear them all winter. She goes, I know you do, and I don't like them. I abhor them. But I don't care. I'm wearing them. You know. So a week goes by, and we have garbage day, right? And I remember I have trash in the trunk of my car. And I walk in the thing. I lift the lid, and I'm not kidding you. Buried under it, I see a pant leg. So I dig down there. I pull them out. It's my quilty pants. I go, and I run in, and she sees them. She goes, oh no. And I go, yes! You threw out my quilty pants.